Today we're going to do lesson 1 and lesson 2, and it's going to be chain and single crochet. The last time was a bit like kalangkabut. Should see it. It's like a comic. The lesson 1 especially. So I'm using the needle 3 and 4. It has the hook. Yeah, both sides for the wool. Okay, now how to hold your thread and there, so it won't get stuck or so it will be easily flowing. We're going to use number 3. Forward, hold it and make it forward. Yes, and number 3, hook it and pull it, make a knot, take a yarn and pull. This is your chain. And now we're going to do single crochet, 1 chain and hook it on the second, take a yarn all out, do it and go on until the end. Now if you want to change the thread, change different color, you have to go back and pull out one of it, half. See, it's not finished like that. Leave it like that. Now you take the pink color, change any color you like. I'm just using it to show you so you can see the difference. Turn again. This one you have to make a knot. Knot ready. Done. And pull, tighten up your other threads. Turn, one chain, yeah, different color. That's how you change your colors. So it's done. I hope this is not a comical too. Remember on the lesson 9 I made a tiny dress. Now I made a doll so it won't go wasted. Made a hedgehog. I think I pronounced it properly. Hedgehog. This is one of the crochet. Made a blouse.